Yeah, Ozzy, that's right. We've got video for both the ground and the sky. We'll get a look at that in just a little bit. But that airplane, the American Airlines Airbus A321, landed safely here at Harry Reid. I'll let you take a look at the airport right now. Things are still operating very smoothly right now. We've got planes taking off, so operations are still going well here. So there were 153 passengers and 6 crew on board. That plane took off at 8:11 a.m. and then landed 8 minutes later. Now to that video, an 8 News Now viewer sent us video from inside the plane showing flames flash outside of the engine. The flight was en route to Charlotte, North Carolina, and pilots safely landed the plane with firefighters waiting for them on the runway. By the time they landed, they didn't see any fire, according to radio calls. Here's the conversation between Reid Airport's tower and pilots shortly after takeoff.
American 1665, same tension. Looks like you have some flames coming out of the engine.
Yeah, we're going to have to return.
Okay, would you just like to make left close traffic?
Yeah, left close will work.
Okay, left close traffic for runway 1 left, sir.
Left close traffic, American 1665.
Maintaining an altitude of 4,000 feet, pilots maneuvered the plane safely to the runway with assistance from the control tower, and they were able to land it safely. No one was injured during this landing. American Airlines sent a statement to us saying that it was a mechanical problem that caused that engine issue. Now, the FAA is planning to investigate as well, and we do know that that plane has been taken out of service while they look at it. We'll have more later this evening, but for now, reporting live outside Harry Reid International Airport, Ryan Chisbineski, 8 News Now.